Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to make percentage field required in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So for this, let's move to our org, and here is our Salesforce Lightning org, and here we are learn how to make percentage field required in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly click on the gear icon, and under this gear icon we can see there is a setup option present. Click on this setup option and our setup page is open, and under this page we can see there are two tabs present. First one is home tab and the another one is object manager tab. So we click on the object manager tab. Our object manager page is open. Under this page, we can see loads of objects are present, but we want to select the opportunity object. So we enter the opportunity in the quick find box and our opportunity objects come at the top. So we click on this opportunity object. Our opportunity object page is open. Under this page, we can see the detail related to the opportunity, and on the left side there is a detail section present, and under this section we can see the field and relationship option is present. Click on this field and relationship option. Our field and relationship page is open, and under this page we can see the already created fields are present. So we click on one of the field that we want to select, and here we want to select the percentage field. So this discount percentage field is a percentage data type field. So we click on this discount percentage field. Our discount percentage field page is open, and under this page we can see the field information is present, and we want to edit this field because we want to make this field required. So we click on the edit button, and our discount percentage field comes into the edit mode, and we can edit anything we want. And here we scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we can see there is a general option section present, and under this section we can see there is a required checkbox present, and we want to make this field required. That's why we enable this checkbox. After enabling the checkbox, this field always required a value in order to save the record. So we click on the required checkbox, and after that click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, we come back to our opportunity custom field discount percentage field page, and under this page we can see the detail related to the discount percentage, and when we scroll to the bottom there is a general option section present, and under this section we can see our required checkboxes checked now. Now we go to the record page of the opportunity and check the discount percentage field is required or not. So for this we click on the app launcher and enter the sales inside the search box and click on the sales option, and our sales page is open, and under this page we can see loads of tabs are present on the name bar, but we want to select the opportunity tab. So we click on the opportunity tab, and our opportunity record page is open. Now we want to create the new record, so we click on the new button, and our opportunity dialog box is open. Now we enter the opportunity name, and here we enter the opportunity name, and then after entering the opportunity name, now select the type and then select the lead source, and after that selecting the time duration, and then choose the close date, and after that selecting the stage, and then we scroll to the bottom, and when we scroll to the bottom here we can see the discount percentage field. When we remove this value from this discount percentage field and then hit the save button, it comes an error, complete this field. And after that we filling the value inside this field and then hit the save button. Also fill the order number, and here we filling the order number, and then again hit the save button. We can see our opportunity Salesforce opportunity record was created. So we can see our discount percentage field is required. If we leave blank this field, so this occur error, please complete this field. Now move forward and discuss how to make percentage field required in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we firstly click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture we can see there is an option present, switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option and our Salesforce Classic version is open. Now here we learn how to make our percentage field required. So for this, we click on the username and our username drop down list is open, and here we select the setup option and our setup page is open. Now enter the account in the quick find box and scroll to the bottom and our account drop down list is open, and under this we can see there is a field option present. Click on this fields option and our account fields page is open. Now scroll to the bottom and here we can see there is a account custom fields and relationship section present, and under this section we can see loads of fields are created, and here we want to select the percentage field, that is a discount percentage. So we click on this discount percentage field and our account custom field discount percentage page is open, and here we can see the detail related to the discount percentage field, and we want to edit this field because we want to make this field required. So we click on the edit button, and now our discount percentage field comes into the edit mode and we can edit anything we want. So we scroll to the bottom of the page and here we can see there is a general option section present, and under this section we can see there is a required checkbox present. If we enable this checkbox, then a dialog box is pop up, warning potential integration impact. Making this field required may break existing API or Apex requests that do not supply a value for this field. So if you want to make this field required, then click on the confirm button. And here we go, we can see our checkbox is enabled. After enabling the checkbox, our field always required a value in order to save a record. And after that, we click on the save button. Now we come back to our account custom field discount percentage page, and here we go, we can see the detail related to the field, and there is a general option section present, and under this section we see our required checkboxes checked. Now we go to the home page and we click on the accounts for checking our discount percentage field is required or not. So we create a new record, so we click on the new button and here we go, our new account page is open. Now enter the account name, and then after entering the account name, then account side if you want to enter, otherwise leave it, and then select the type and then select the industry, and then enter the account number and then enter the phone number and then enter the annual revenue, and after entering the annual revenue we can see there is a discount percentage field is present, but we want to leave this field blank because we check our this field is required or not. So that's why we hit the save button. When we hit the save button, error messages occur and we can see you must enter a value inside this field. This show our discount percentage field is required. Now enter the value inside this field and then hit the save button. After hitting the save button, we can see our Salesforce account record is created successfully and our discount percentage field is filled. So with this, we have learned how to make percentage field required in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.